Is your .NET Framework apps not working because of the SSH NET-DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. To start the walkthrough for SSH NET, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the SSH NET, the SSH.NET library module. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of SFTP and SSH data links, acting as the foundational security manifest for .NET application communication. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This issue indicates a structural problem within .NET Framework's installation. Reinstall the latest version of .NET Framework from the official site to restore SSH NET-DLL safely and ensure all registry links are updated. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the SSH NET file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure-level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Using an incorrect or outdated version of SSH NET-DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning SSH NET-related issues. If you've regained access to SSH NET thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.